The bebek, they were going that way or they turn here? Try to go, Aldo, try to go here. Put her in gear, and play with. You brake with the clutch. I truly believe you should go here. Then you will take the momentum. There is a hole. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay, bon, so we're gonna put okay, that's gonna be technical. She's in gear. Right. She cannot go anywhere. Okay. Because I see the ban, you saw? I see the...
Oh, somebody's house.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody's house.
Okay, she's up. So the problem you have is because you go in the center. In the center, you cannot go. So you will have to go left or right.
Yeah.
And that's tricky.
Yeah, slippery.
So let's. We got what? You hold the brake?
Yeah.
We're gonna put her there.
Right.
So then you're gonna take like wham.
I'm not a bit worried about that. Is it possible we just push it up?
No.
We push while also...
You will never make it.
No?
Either you do it with momentum or you will not make it.
Right.
So we're gonna move the bike over there. Okay, I'm gonna release the clutch, use the front brake.
Yep.
I'm going slower. Step by step.
Go straight. Maybe?
Try to release the front brake. Release it. Release it.
It's released already.
It's because we need some guidance.
Oh, my feet is just so slippery.
Okay.
Not right boots.
And I have a spider in my helmet in my ear.
You want to take it off first?
It's okay.
I'll hold it.
I have time.
You want to get your spider out?
She will not do anything anyway. Let's try to turn that bike. We need to turn. Nah. Okay, we are not bad. It's better than Taddy.
Yeah. I wonder if we start from here. Is it possible to get momentum from here?
No, not enough. Because you see, you just gonna the center is so soft.
Thing is, you want to be on the left side, right?
But it's difficult because you have that hole.
Yeah.
So
you have to get on here.
And then there's the problem if you do that, if your rear go in the thing, then you're gonna fall this way. Not good.
No.
So
Maybe have a look. I'll go up there and have a look maybe. Oh, it's so loose, the dirt is so loose. Maybe it's best to just go back.
Why? It still continue to go up?
It's like this all the way. It's very, very loose dirt. It's like this on the middle, all the way up.
You sure the bebek they go this way?
Yeah, well, when I saw them, I was around here. Yeah. And he told me, basically this road will go up and connect you to the other road, other side.
If you can just pull it, because there is no clutch. I clutch now, so.
Okay.
I just want to make her
Turn.
turn.
So loose.
Okay. So she's okay. Well, now, right now, she's not in a bad position.
Oh,
It's okay.
you can put that on? Oh, okay. Okay,
Okay.
all right.
So either we take momentum from here, but it's quite technical.
I know. I'm worried about that bit. If you do it from here, maybe it's possible. Just like this. And then try and get on the left side. Very soft, eh?
You dig a hole in here.
I know. The whole thing is going to cause problems for other people.
Well, we have to take a decision.
Oh. The road's like this, right? All the way.
No, after that it's flattened. It's just that bit that is a pain in the ass.
Okay.
After that, I don't know after, you know, but
Yeah.
the problem
I
is,
can try.
the
Again.
problem is going down. It's dangerous, yeah.
That way.
It's always better to go up.
Yeah. But we will eventually go down again. Depends, you know, how is the surface on the other side going down. You know, maybe I should try one more time. If it's not successful, maybe best thing is to go back. So I'll try and from here start and then just straight away try and get to the left side.
It's tougher to get to be able to go here,
Yeah, where your feet are.
because when you're gonna arrive here,
That's the problem there.
she's gonna slip over there.
Yeah, and I'll just fall again.
Yeah, it's too technical. I think you're right. We go back.
I mean, yeah, going back. Well, the thing is, we know the situation that way.
Yeah, and then I can disconnect my ABS over there, because me, you have to not forget I have ABS.
All right.
And with ABS, if I start to go down, I'm
Yeah, yeah.
that means I will have no brakes.
The thing is, even going that way, it's a bit tricky because I have to
Yep.
turn the bike. So maybe the best way is to, I don't know, getting up there, so it's a bit tricky actually. You know, go back up.
Hey.
Stop.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make it. It's okay, Aldo.
Right behind just a minute.
Okay, yeah. I'm in.
Okay, good.
Okay, you can pick up your bike now.
See, even this is so loose.
I just disconnect the ABS. So it's done. Yeah. I took off the ABS already. We made it! We made it alive!
One piece,
In one piece!
so did your drone. See the rabbits now? Living here?
Oh my!